Good morning, students. Now I'll teach you how to connect electric lamps in parallel connection. Already you have studied the circuit diagram formula in your 10th class NCERT science book in electricity chapter. Okay, for this we require screwdriver, tester, scissor, cutting plier, insulation tape, wire cutter, and three electric bulb, ordinary bulb, 1, 2, 3, known as B1, B2 and B3, and pendant holder, B1 pendant holder, B2 pendant holder and B3 pendant holder. See, here I have already connected the bulbs and with pendant holder and wire. So here the terminals of B1, this is B1, A and B, and this one terminal of B2 is C and D, and for B3 bulb terminals are E and F. Let me show the internal connections of one bulb. So by this you can understand others. So I have taken a pendant holder. In market 2-3 types holders are available, and this one the pendant holder, and you will find in your house that is angle holder or batten holder. So here to connect connection point, so by cutting the wires and removing the plastic slips, then you can insert here and you can connect. So I am not taking much time to connect this one. In earlier video I have already taught this one. Now what I will do, this is B1 bulbs, terminal A, and this one terminal C of B2, I'll connect together. And this is another one, the first bulbs terminal B, and second bulbs second terminal, that is D, I am connecting together, and now I am inserting the both inside see the lighting of the lamp is same because it is a parallel connection. Here voltage is same, current divides. See, in this the single bulb you see the lighting, there is no change in lighting. So I can add another one. Now we will see what the changes. So lighting is same. So this is 300 watt total. Okay, and for you can test using this one. For safety, you can use you can make a 2-pin plug and this one. So I am using insulation tape to avoid any problem. Because safety is first. So in our house glowing in equal lighting, due to this parallel connection. Thank you.